Hey, fellow wanderers, are you dreaming of an unforgettable European adventure? Well, Lisbon, Portugal, is calling your name loud and clear. From its vibrant, colorful streets to breathtaking panoramic views, this city offers a magical blend of old-world charm and modern vibes you absolutely can't miss. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below telling us which Lisbon spot has captured your heart. Let's dive into this ultimate Lisbon travel guide and uncover all the must-see spots that will make your trip truly unforgettable. First up, we've got Alfama, the heart and soul of Lisbon. This historic neighborhood is an absolute gem, perfect for a day of wandering and discovery. The narrow, winding alleys of Alfama are like a magical maze, and honestly, getting lost here is half the adventure. As you stroll through the district, you'll come across cozy cafes, vibrant homes, and unique little shops that capture the very essence of Lisbon. One of the best spots to soak in the beauty of the entire district is Miradouro de Santa Luzia, a viewpoint that offers a breathtaking panorama of Alfama and the river. It's an ideal spot for some Instagram-worthy shots that will make your friends green with envy. And while you're there, don't miss out on visiting a local fado bar. The soulful music of fado is an integral part of Lisbon's culture, and hearing it live in Alfama will transport you straight into the heart of the city's rich traditions. Next up, let's head to Belém, home to two of Lisbon's most iconic and awe-inspiring landmarks. First on the list is the Belém Tower, a historic fortress that once stood guard over the city. This beautiful tower by the river offers an incredible view of Lisbon's seafaring past and is a must-see for anyone fascinated by the city's maritime history. Just a short walk away, you'll find the Jerónimos Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases stunning Manueline architecture. This majestic building is truly one of a kind and will leave you in absolute awe. While you're in Belém, don't forget to try the world-famous Pastéis de Belém, Lisbon's beloved custard tarts. Trust me, they're a must-try, warm, flaky, and absolutely delicious. If you want to experience the heart and soul of Lisbon in style, hop on the iconic Tram 28. This vintage yellow tram whisks you away on a scenic journey through some of Lisbon's most historic and picturesque neighborhoods, including Graça and Baixa. It's a charming, leisurely ride that lets you soak in the city's colorful buildings, breathtaking viewpoints, and vibrant streets. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, a ride on Tram 28 is an unforgettable experience you won't want to miss. It's one of the best ways to see Lisbon in a relaxed and truly memorable way. Craving something a bit more modern? Then LX Factory is the place to be. Once an industrial complex, LX Factory has been transformed into a buzzing creative hub. You'll find vibrant street art, quirky shops, cool restaurants, and trendy bars scattered throughout the area. It's the perfect place to experience Lisbon's youthful energy and creative spirit. Whether you're in the mood for shopping, trying some delicious food, or just soaking in the artistic vibe, LX Factory is a must-visit to see the modern, cool side of Lisbon. If you're traveling with family or simply love marine life, make sure to visit the Lisbon Oceanarium in Parque das Nações. It's one of the largest aquariums in Europe, and trust me, you'll be amazed by the incredible variety of sea creatures here. From majestic sharks to playful penguins, there's something for everyone. Whether you're visiting with kids or just want to marvel at the wonders of the ocean, the Lisbon Oceanarium will leave you in awe. If you're a sunset lover, then Miradouro da Senhora do Monte is the spot you absolutely must visit. This viewpoint offers sweeping, panoramic views of the entire city, making it the perfect place to watch the sky transform into a canvas of colors as the sun sets. It's an unforgettable experience, as the sun dips below the horizon, casting mesmerizing shades of pink, orange, and purple over the city. It's peaceful, it's breathtaking, and trust me, you'll cherish this moment forever. Love to shop? Then Baixa and Chiado are the vibrant neighborhoods you need to explore. From high-end boutiques to charming local designer shops, there's something for everyone here. Whether you're hunting for trendy fashion, handcrafted goods, or unique souvenirs, these areas have it all. As you stroll through, don't forget to stop by A Brasileira, one of Lisbon's oldest and most iconic cafes. It's the perfect place to sit back, relax, and soak in the charm of the city after a delightful day of shopping. Just a short trip from Lisbon, you can visit Sintra, a town that feels like it's straight out of a fairy tale. It's filled with stunning palaces, enchanting castles, and beautiful gardens. Don't miss the Pena Palace with its vibrant colors and dramatic architecture. Be sure to explore the mystical Quinta da Regaleira with its secret paths and hidden wonders. And for a taste of history, visit the Moorish Castle, which offers incredible views of the town below. Sintra is the perfect peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of Lisbon, offering a magical experience that you won't forget. But wait, we can't wrap up our journey without diving into Lisbon's electrifying nightlife. From vibrant bars to pulsating clubs, Lisbon transforms into a playground for night owls as the sun sets. Start your evening at Bairro Alto, a historic neighborhood that buzzes with energy. Its narrow streets are packed with cozy bars offering everything from traditional fado music to modern beats. For a more upscale experience, head to Cais de Sodré, where you'll find Pink Street, a hotspot known for its trendy bars and eclectic crowd. For those who love live music, Music Box is a must-visit venue. Located in a former warehouse, it hosts an array of live performances that span genres and styles, guaranteeing a night to remember. If dancing the night away is more your style, Lux Fragile is the place to be. Owned by actor John Malkovich, this iconic club boasts multiple floors, each offering a different vibe. Whether you're into electronic music or prefer a more relaxed lounge atmosphere, Lux Fragile has something for everyone. And don't forget to take a moment to enjoy a late-night snack at one of the many street food vendors or 24-hour cafes scattered around the city. A warm pastel de nata or a hearty befana sandwich can be the perfect way to end your night out. So, whether you're a bar hopper, a live music enthusiast, or a clubbing aficionado, Lisbon's nightlife has something to offer every traveler. Add these spots to your itinerary and experience the city in a whole new light. Lisbon is a city brimming with charm, culture, and endless adventure, and there's a treasure trove of experiences waiting for you to uncover. Which of these exciting activities are you most eager to dive into? Share your thoughts and plans in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful and inspiring, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Travel Tapestry for more exciting travel guides. Thanks for watching, and happy travels, everyone!